In this video, I'll show you how to create two pop-out zoom effects in Camtasia Studio. This technique allows you to highlight different sections of your screen or video content simultaneously, which is especially useful for tutorials where you need to zoom in on multiple areas for better visibility. First, copy the part of the video you want to pop out, or you can duplicate the track. Next, hide the background track, then crop the pop-out track to focus on the specific area. After that, create the second pop-out track by duplicating and cropping another section of the video. Now, apply custom animations to zoom in on each pop-out area. To enhance the effect, apply a drop shadow to the pop-out tracks for better visibility. Then, apply a custom animation to the background track, reducing its opacity to shift the focus to the pop-out areas. Finally, add additional animations to smoothly restore the video back to its original state. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.